In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on this gear one instead. Click on the voice typing section and tap on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Now my favorite part. Click on your microphone and then on tiny icon on the left of it. This one. Hit next in the pop-up. Select Done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. You can operate microphone the same way. Delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. Click on this icon on the left to manage all available options. And to move your toolbar, just hold it and drag it. If you wish to go back to the standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!